The 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid is a mid-sized SUV designed for family hauling and competes with the Toyota Highlander and Subaru Ascent. Its exterior design showcases a sleek and modern aesthetic, although it lacks some of the bold design choices seen in other Hyundai models. Inside, the cabin is well laid out, providing a comfortable and spacious environment for up to 5 adults, with the Australian market version offering a third-row seating option for smaller adults. The standout feature of the Santa Fe Hybrid is its hybrid powertrain, which offers impressive fuel economy and a responsive driving experience. It combines a 226 horsepower 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, providing ample low-end torque. Alternatively, there are traditional engine options, including a 178 horsepower 2.5-liter inline-four and a 276 horsepower 3.5-liter V6. The hybrid model also has a plug-in hybrid variant with more power and a larger electric motor. The Santa Fe Hybrid excels as a comfortable and easy-to-drive commuter car, with light and well-assisted steering and a quiet ride. The hybrid drivetrain adds to the serene driving experience with practically silent low-speed operation. While not built for rugged off-road driving, it handles light off-road conditions quite well, and the all-wheel drive system includes modes for mud and snow. The Santa Fe's appeal lies in its no-fuss driving experience, designed for those who prioritize ease of use and practicality. It blends into the background of daily life, offering intuitive controls and a spacious interior. However, it could benefit from more power and improved infotainment controls. In the US, the base model Santa Fe Hybrid comes with all-wheel drive, heated front seats, multiple USB ports, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while higher trims add luxury features like a panoramic sunroof, leather interior, and larger wheels. The review is based on the Australian market version of the Santa Fe Hybrid, which offers a 7-seat option and is priced at $75,313 Australian dollars, $50,230 US dollars. The closest US market model costs $43,605, but does not have the third row of seats. Overall, the Santa Fe Hybrid proves to be a perfectly inoffensive and practical choice for families seeking a comfortable and fuel-efficient SUV for their daily commute and occasional adventures.